Hey guys, this is Abdul. You like it? 2 cameras now. I was confused to decide between English and Arabic for this video, but you can let me know what you prefer down in the comments below. And while you are there, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to reach all my new videos. And let's get started. So today I have a really interesting project, something aggressive, muscular, colorful, and for sure crazy. That's why I'm here. So let's do less talk and more of this. Let's go! There's Najm. Hey, what's up? Oh, good. What this?
When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off, go off. So go off, go off, go off, go off. When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off, go off. So go off, go off, go off, go off. When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off.
You made it until here. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And thanks for watching. I don't know about these 2 cameras. I'm like, it's kind of confusing me. That's the first time, so sorry for that.